Hi, I'm Isel Agliata with Dalton Wade. I'm here today in the Pebble Creek community at 9535 Norchester Circle. Welcome to this stunning 2,343 square foot home featuring 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a 2-car garage. Nestled on a peaceful conservation lot, the home offers a warm and inviting ambience with a unique double-sided wood-burning fireplace and bamboo and porcelain tile flooring throughout the home. Enjoy the serene views from the spacious screen lanai, perfect for relaxing or entertaining, while appreciating the low HOA fees that make this home a perfect combination of comfort and value. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. If you'd like to see the home personally, please reach out to me directly at 813-833-4704.